Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success, happiness, and abundance effortlessly, while others struggle despite hard work? The secret lies not in luck or chance, but in the power of manifestation. And today, I will reveal to you the most powerful manifestation technique that can truly transform your life. This isn't just about wishful thinking or daydreaming. This technique is backed by science, energy alignment, and deep spiritual principles. It has been used by high achievers, spiritual leaders, and countless individuals who changed their lives from scarcity to abundance. Before we dive in, remember this: manifestation isn't magic. It's alignment. It's the art of matching your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the reality you want to create. When you align fully, the universe responds in ways that feel miraculous. Now let's uncover the technique. It's called Embodied Visualization with emotional anchoring. This method is more than just visualizing your dreams. It's about stepping into them with your full being, mentally, emotionally, and energetically. Start by choosing one clear desire. Not 10, not 5, just one. Maybe it's financial freedom, love, health, or a specific goal. Clarity is power. When you focus your energy like a laser, the universe can reflect it back clearly. Once you've chosen your desire, find a quiet space, sit down, close your eyes. Now imagine that your desire has already happened. Not happening has already happened. You are living it now. Feel it, see it, hear it, breathe it. What does your life look like in this new reality? Who are you? Where are you? How do you dress, speak, walk, and feel? Create that mental movie in full detail and allow your body to respond. Smile, relax, let your heart expand. Here's where the technique deepens. As you visualize, anchor a powerful emotion to the experience. Maybe it's joy, pride, peace, or gratitude. Let that emotion grow stronger until it floods your entire body like a wave of energy. This emotional anchoring is the secret sauce. Why? Because your subconscious mind speaks emotion, not words. When you feel as if it's already yours, your subconscious starts shifting your identity and actions to match that reality. Stay in that state for a few minutes, not just seeing the dream, being the dream. Then gently return to the present moment while keeping a piece of that energy with you. That energy becomes your guiding force. Repeat this practice daily. Morning is best when your mind is fresh and quiet. Just 10 minutes of deeply feeling your desired reality can override years of limiting beliefs and negative conditioning. But don't stop there. Begin to act from your future self. Ask yourself each day, what would the version of me who already has this do today? Let that guide your choices, your habits, and your conversations. This technique turns you into a magnet, not just passively waiting, but vibrating on the same frequency as your goals. You'll notice strange synchronicities, random encounters, unexpected opportunities, or sudden clarity. Remember, manifestation isn't forcing, it's flowing. It's allowing your inner world to shape your outer world. Trust the process. Trust the timing. And most importantly, trust yourself. There will be days when doubt creeps in. That's okay. Doubt is just a sign that you're expanding. Acknowledge it, but don't feed it. Return to your vision. Return to your feeling. Return to your inner knowing. The most powerful manifestation technique is not a trick. It's a transformation, a shift in how you see yourself, how you speak to yourself, and how you show up in the world. It's becoming before receiving. Thousands have used this method to manifest dream jobs, soulmate relationships, healed bodies, and thriving businesses. And you can too, if you commit, stay consistent, and align fully with your desire. This journey is yours. You are the creator of your reality. The universe is not outside of you. It's within you, responding to your dominant vibration. What you feel consistently becomes what you experience. So today, take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Step into your desired future as if it already exists, because in the quantum field, it does. And every time you do this, you collapse time between who you are and who you're becoming. You are powerful beyond measure. Use this gift wisely. Use it daily, and watch as your life begins to shift in beautiful, unimaginable ways. This is your time. The future is now, and it all begins with one vision, one feeling, one step.